友善啦、靚啦、穩定。
Fun, passionate, very energetic.
有同理心、樂觀、團隊合作者。
好專注啦，我熱情同埋好勤力。
Motivated, mindful, moisturized.
我的同事都是特別棒的人。
When clients tell you that is the best decision they ever made.
一个人骑自行车環台灣島一圈，同時15天。
Stepping out of my comfort zone and become a broker.
My mom for her kindness, but all the girls and women in general.
之前項目合作的同事，他讓我覺得開始做一件事情，要比完美的做成一件事情更重要。唔怕去試新嘢或者去做錯，因為都係一個成功嘅 step 嚟嘅。
唔好怕醜啦。
Believe in yourself.
No ego, consistency, think bigger. Happy International Women's Day.
祝大家國際婦女節快樂！